Next, my concept is preparation of Victor Grignard reagent. Preparation of Victor Grignard reagent. Victor is a scientist. What is Grignard reagent? Write its general formula. How to prepare? What is Grignard reagents? Organo magnesium halide. Organo magnesium halide is called as Grignard reagent. Organo means carbon atom. R is alkyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl. R is aryl, phenyl, C6H5. R is alkyl. R means C6H5, alkyl means CH. Alkyl. Best example, benzyl. Benzyl magnesium chloride. Phenyl magnesium chloride. Ethyl magnesium chloride. These are the example of Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagents? Organo magnesium halides are called as Victor Grignard reagent. This is the best reagent. Its general formula is RMgX. Here R is carbon chain, open chain, otherwise ring chain like benzene, substitute a ring chain like benzyl. X is you take chlorine and bromine, even the iodine. Why it is important? This product is applicable to prepare alkane, to prepare primary alcohol, to prepare secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, to prepare any carbonic acid, to prepare any ester, to prepare ketone. Almost all functional group organic compound is prepared from this reagent. Hence it is best application. You know Sandmeyer's reaction. You know Sandmeyer's reactions. When Sandmeyer's reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is converted into chlorobenzene. How to prepare Grignard? This is general formula. R bonded X plus magnesium in presence of dry ether or THF, tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran, you are getting Grignard reagent. Here I am taking metal is magnesium. Sometimes you are using lead also. Lithium and lead is also used. Lithium and lead. How to prepare? When alkyl or aryl, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, aryl means C6H5. When alkyl or aryl halide dissolve in magnesium powder in presence of dry ether. Sometimes they are using tetrahydrofuran. This is the structure of tetrahydrofuran. To give a Grignard reagent RMgX. I am taking a best example to prepare ethyl bromide. To prepare ethyl magnesium bromide. How to prepare ethyl magnesium bromide? When ethyl bromide dissolve in magnesium powder in presence of dry ether to give ethyl magnesium bromide. Here I am using only dry ether, not use THF. If reactive halogen atoms, in a reactive halogen atom, you are using solvent is dry ether. If reactive halogen atom, you are using low boiling point solvent like dry ether. Dry ether is diethyl ether. Its boiling point is very less. It is applicable to prepare reactivity Grignard reagents. If your halogen atom is less reactive, for example, phenyl chloride is less reactive compared to ethyl bromide. On that time you have to use high boiling point solvent, THF. High boiling point solvent, THF, tetrahydrofuran you have to use. How to prepare aromatic Grignard reagent? When phenyl chloride treated with magnesium powder in presence of tetrahydrofuran, it is heterocyclic compound. The boiling point is very high. High solvent you have to use less reactivity halogen atom. Best example of less reactivity halogen atom is phenyl chloride. Phenyl chloride dissolved in magnesium, THF converted into phenyl magnesium chloride.